How to get exclusive benefits on Alibaba.com. At Alibaba.com, we're dedicated to providing the highest quality of products and services to our customers. In order to provide customized features and services tailored to different buyers' needs, we launched Buyers Club. There are 5 levels of Buyers Club: Standard, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and Pro Buyer. You can see your level by checking your My Alibaba page. Today, let's look at the Pro Buyer level. If your company has an annual revenue exceeding $1 million US, or you've spent over $300,000 on Alibaba.com in the last 12 months, you'll automatically qualify for Pro Buyer status. To enroll, simply provide your company's address or upload other documents that show your company's size. Pro Buyers enjoy exclusive benefits like coupons for qualified orders, access to dedicated customer service 24 hours a day, as well as a US-based customer success team, a Pro Buyer badge on your buyer account that shows suppliers your VIP status, exclusive shipment and consolidation services from Alibaba's logistics partners. These benefits may change from time to time, so check out the Pro Buyer page for the most up-to-date information. Join Buyers Club today to get the most out of sourcing.